Hello, my name is María Teresa Medina Contreras. I am a student of the Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, SECAR. I am going to start about the advantages and disadvantages of cell phone. About cell phone. Cell phone has totally changed people's lifestyles. Since their invention in the 17th, interaction between human beings has changed forever. Today, almost everyone has smart cell phone from the youngest to the oldest. Advantages. One of the main advantages of this device is to be the biggest channel to facilitate communication and interaction between people. This is the advantages. Cell phone has improved the quality of life by the hands-on. This is the advantages. For example, their constant use can affect people's health. They also need to have internet communication to work better. Some cell phone cause distraction in children and causes traffic accidents. Not all people make good use of some cell phone companies have the highest price for using the internet and social media. My advice is we should always all use the cell phone better from producer. Hello, my name is María Teresa Medina Contreras. I am a student of the Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, SECAR. I am going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of cell phone. About cell phone. Cell phone has totally changed people's lifestyle since their invention in the 17th. Interaction between human beings has changed forever. Today, almost everyone has smart cell phone, from the youngest to the oldest. Advantages. One of the main advantages of this device is to be the biggest channel to facilitate communication and interaction between people. Thanks to cell phone, we can all study or even work from home. This is the advantages. Cell phone has improved the quality of life by the hands-on. This is the advantages. For example, their constant use can affect people's health. They also need to have internet connection to work better. Some cell phone cause distraction in children and cause traffic accidents. Not all people make good use only the some cell phone companies have the highest prices for using the internet and social media. Some advice. My advice is we should all use the cell phone better for productive than like work meeting, study, call to family or friends. Thank you.